Hey, it's Josh here from CreateStudio, and I'm really excited to show you our latest update inside our software. So, as you would have seen, we've got a new camera tool which enables you to create really dynamic animations and movements inside your projects. So I've got this project here where we've got a character jumping on, waving, and some text animating. And to make it more dynamic, I'm going to zoom in and around it. So let me show you how it all works. So first of all, I'm just going to go through and click on the camera tool up here. And this enables you to enter the camera mode where you can animate the zooming and the panning and things like that. So you'll see that we've got this pink border, and you can basically move this in and around where you want the camera to zoom into. And you've got a couple of options over here as well, and the plus icon on the camera layer to add the animation. So let's go and click on the plus icon, and you can see I've added an animation now. And to add the animations, you need to make sure that you place the time indicator after the actual animation or before it, okay? So we want it to animate from here to here, and I'm going to select this and just drag it in like this, okay? So now the animation is going to go from completely zoomed out to zooming in and kind of coming across. So if I just play this, I'll show you what it looks like that. And then at this point, as the text is kind of animating on, I want to kind of pan across and zoom across. So I'm just going to click on the plus icon again, and then move the time indicator at the end of the animation, and then just kind of come across. And I'm just going to, make it smaller so it zooms in as well, like this. So let's zoom, and then as the next text comes in about here, I'm going to start animating that as well. So let's go and click on the plus icon, move the time indicator to the end, and then kind of zoom out and come down a bit like this. Cool. And then after that, what we want to do is zoom completely out. So I'm going to click on the plus icon, again, move the time indicator to the end of the animation. If you see, if I bring it into the middle, you won't be able to add the animation because we need to basically set the start and end point. So you see we've got a little note telling you to move the indicator to the end or the beginning. And over here, what we can do is simply click on the expand camera tool to make it full width. What you can also do is just double click, and that will also expand it for a little shortcut, okay? So let's just preview this, what it looks like. So we've got that nice kind of zoom. Cool. So that's how you can really use this, and there's many different other cases you can use it to make it really, dynamic in your videos. And another thing you can do as well is actually adjust the easing of your animation. So if I click on this tool over here with this animation selected, and let's say I want to go with in, so I'm going to go select back. So it kind of like zooms in and then comes out. So let's just preview what that looks like on this one. Cool. So you can do it like, lots of different animations, really play around with it to have a lot of fun. And again, you can adjust the duration of your animation as well to make it faster or slower. But yeah, that's the main kind of concept around, creating animations using the camera. Once you've completed your animating, you can simply exit the camera by clicking over here to exit the camera mode, or also clicking on this icon here. So let's just exit that mode, and then you can go back in here and start customizing your video and playing around with the different elements. And again, just to click on the camera tool, you can go back into the camera and delete the animations or adjust them as you like as well. So yeah, that's the camera tool. Let me go through as well and show you another option, another feature that we've created, which is the replace color tool. So I'm going to go grab a character. Let's go and grab maybe the superhero guy. Okay, so what you can do now is, if I just exit this camera mode and grab this character and go to advanced, you'll see we've got the option to replace colors. So if I click on replace colors and just zoom in a bit, what I want to do is change the color of his top. So if I click on the add replace, click on the color selector, and then go grab this red color, I can then go and adjust this color of his clothes by simply, changing it up like this. Maybe you want to make it blue or a pink. You can really play around with it and make, a really nice looking character. And you can adjust the tolerance so that, depending on the color that's selected, you can have a less of an effect. But let's say you also want to go through and add another color replacement and change that yellow and maybe make it green. Yeah, you can really play around with it and have a lot of fun with this. And again, adjust the tolerance. You can also adjust the brightness and saturation. So something like that. And let's go and add another color replacement, and maybe we'll adjust maybe this back bit. So I'm going to select the color selector and maybe make this green color. Okay, something like that. And again, you want to kind of play around with the tolerance as well as the brightness and saturation, and you can see how quickly you can go through and adjust these colors. So yeah, that's another tool that we've added in to help you to customize the characters a bit more. And yeah, those are the main features that we've added in this update. Make sure to update to the latest version inside CreateStudio. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. And we really appreciate it if you could add a review as well, either to Trustpilot or Capterra. It really helps us with our business. So yeah, thanks again for checking out this video. Hope you enjoy this update and have a great day.